From passengers to freight, railways carry precious cargo, but security threats place them at risk. Introducing Hexagon's Security and Surveillance Portfolio, a solution proven to help provide safe passage for lives and property. Identify threats no matter what the circumstances: low light, bad weather, in motion or stationary. Integrate data from cameras, alarms, sensors and more to gain real-time situational awareness. Quickly dispatch first responders directly to the scene. Coordinate internally and with outside agencies to act on data in a secure environment. Keep moving forward with Hexagon on board. Transform how you mitigate and manage incidents with Hexagon's Security and Surveillance Portfolio. Explore now.